my name is Jessica, and I'm the co-founder of OURTARIO. A little bit about myself. I'm 29. I'm Kenyan Canadian, and I work for this program. A little bit about my background. I'm actually an owner of a few skincare businesses. I started my career in HR and kind of dipped into entrepreneurship, and then I kind of went into, I guess, a community-based job position. So I do work for the city as a lottery licensing officer, and I just kind of have a bit of a wide range experience in different avenues. OURTARIO is a female Black-led initiative that leads a variety of excursions, activities, and outings centered around exploring and utilizing Toronto and Ontario's public spaces beyond our comfort zone. Our target audience is youth, women who are new to Ontario and just kind of want to explore, connect, and just have a good time while they're here. This project seeks to primarily serve, again, women and youth from priority neighborhoods, from all backgrounds to explore and experience Ontario. And this includes beaches, waterfalls, just different areas in Ontario that would really benefit the individual. The main challenges we've experienced was gaining partnerships to kind of make the process of the experience more enjoyable and just more coherent for us, if that makes sense. So, for example, we find that we want to kind of do partnerships with these different excursions or these companies that offer these excursions to kind of make access to them accessible without a physical person being there. So that's one challenge. Another challenge I would say is getting funding to have these excursions continuously and on a consistent basis. So I think those are the two main challenges that we've experienced. I think I learned a lot about financial literacy. In regards to this program, a lot about financial literacy. I learned a lot about myself and how I reflect the project in a way, or how I should manage myself when doing a project. I think I learned a lot about the different target audiences that we want to focus on. I learned a lot of lessons. I think it greatly impacted the community that we serve because it opened up, this idea was literally started off as me going out with my friends and exploring different areas of your not typical Toronto activities, if that makes sense. And then my partner seen the need of this being something that others would want to experience, and she created it into a business. And I feel like it opened the opportunity for exploration of what this could be. And it gave us the money to kind of test out the idea and see, okay, is this something that we really need in our community, or how can we make it something that we do need in our community? So it was like a nice test run that came with a lot of support. So I feel like it supported us, and then we had the ability to support the community. So I feel like it definitely opened another avenue of just Torontonians enjoying themselves, and not only in Toronto, in Ontario as a whole. So I've spoken to some of the mentors here and the guidance here, and I've explained the idea, and we do plan on moving forward, but now we're kind of evaluating what we want to move forward with. And then once we clear that up, we would like to continue and making sure that the service we're providing is effective, it's enjoyable, and there's just, I can't find the proper wording, but just the evaluation and after the assessment, it's impactful. So we do want to continue. Okay.